7 days more to go for this challenge to complete. In this week, what we are going to have is one more session on fix your schedule. And on Sunday, we are also going to talk about the diet part. Okay. So काफ़ी अच्छा वीक रहेगा हमारा. अगर थोड़ा रिविजन चाहिए, रिकैप चाहिए तो वो भी हो जाएगा. काफ़ी कुछ और चीज़ें भी हम सीखेंगे. बट फॉर टुडे लेट्स स्टार्ट फर्स्ट विथ भस्त्रिका. भस्त्रिका से शुरू करेंगे. सो ढीली मुट्ठी कंधों के आगे. इफ यू वांट टू सिट इन वज्रासन, यू कैन सिट इन वज्रासन लाइक दिस. If you are someone who are joining us for the first time, just keep your eyes open for some time and then you can do the next 2 rounds with eyes closed. Loose fist in front of your shoulders, elbows close to the body. Take a normal breath in. Breathe out. Together for Bhastrika, breathe in, out. In, out. In, 3. In, 4. In, 5. In, 6. In, 7. In, 8. In, 9. In, 10. In, 1. In, 2. In, 3. In, 4. In, 5. In, 6. In, 7. In, 8. In, 9. In, 10. Relax. Palms on your thighs, open to the ceiling. Round 2 of Bhastrika, take positions. अगर कुछ आंखों का इशू है, पेट का इशू है, कंफर्टेबल नहीं लग रहा है तो धीरे धीरे करेंगे. और अगर कोई इशू नहीं है तो मुस्कुराते हुए थोड़ा सा तेज कर सकते हैं. A little extra pressure. Ready for it? Normal breath in. Breathe out, empty your lungs. For Bhastrika together, breathe in, out. In, 2. In, 3. In, 4. In, 5. In, 6. In, 7. In, 8. In, 9. In, 10. In, 1. In, 2. In, 3. In, 4. In, 5. In, 6. In, 7. In, 8. In, 9. In, 10. Relax. Third and final round. Take positions. Normal breath in. Breathe out. Let go. Together for Bhastrika. Breathe in. Out. In. Out. In. Out. In. Out. In. 3. In. 4. In. 5. In. 6. In, 7. In, 8. In, 9. In, 10. In, 1. In, 2. In, 3. In, 4. in 5, in 6, in 7, in 8, in 9, in 10. Relax. Let go. Let's get ready for the prayer. आंखें बंदी रखेंगे. वज्रासन में बैठे हैं तो सुखासन में आ जाए. Let's start our day. Let's start our practice, our session this week with a gratitude. Let's start our session with the practice of gratitude. मन में कृतज्ञता का भाव हो, चेहरे पे हल्की सी मुस्कुराहट हो, a gentle smile on the face, and let's get ready for the prayer. प्रार्थना के लिए तैयार हो जाए.
योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचा मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोतं प्रवरं मुनीना पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिं रानतोऽस्मि. गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः.
ओके, वेलकम टू मंडे. आज हम लोग शुरुआत करेंगे 10 मिनट थोड़ा सा म्यूजिक वार्म अप के साथ. 10 minutes of music warm up, then we'll do some breathing, then we'll do some asanas, and then we'll end with again a little bit of breathing. So let's all stand up. अपने अपने जगह पर खड़े हो जाए. I want to remind you again that showing up is the most important thing, which I've already done. If you do not like the music that we play, that's very much possible. हमें म्यूजिक का इतना कुछ आइडिया है नहीं, तो आप हमें थोड़ी देर के लिए म्यूट कर लीजिएगा, बट मूवमेंट चालू रखिए. ठीक है, आपने लॉग इन किया है. 45 minutes, let's move together as much as possible. So let's all stand up and continue with our walk. Nice, simple, easy walk to begin with. And let me put on some music. Great. With a smile, walk. Kick, 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 kick. Simple. Now you lift your other hand up like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep moving. Again, out, out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Move. 1. Cross. And quick kick back. Hands out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Move. Hands out, up, down, up, down. Come on, move. Fly, fly high. Walk. Move your hands. हाथों का मूवमेंट अच्छा चाहिए. Simple walk. Out, in, out, in, up, down. Come on, slow. Slow. And increase the speed. Keep moving. Other side. Out, in, out, in, up, down, up, down. Keep moving and a little faster. Other side again. Come on, move. And 3, 2, 1, change. Move. 30 seconds. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk. Next one, out and down. On the right side only. You can sit down, come up, or simply do this. Continue. Move. Seconds. Three, 2, 1. Other side. 1, 2, 3. Three, 2, 1. Walk, kick and punch, kick and punch. Move. Run. Come on, faster. Continue. And that's our sweet little 8 minutes odd warm up. तो आज जो हमने किया, आई एम श्योर कुछ लोगों को थोड़ा कंफ्यूजिंग लगा होगा, बट दैट्स व्हाट द गोल वाज. When you do random movements and your body gets confused, your memory power increases. कल किसी ने मुझे पूछा था कि कुछ बताइए चैट में, जब हमारा बोनस सेशन चल रहा था तब, कि मेमोरी के लिए क्या करते हैं. तो मूवमेंट जरूरी है, बट थोड़ा रैंडमनेस इन द मूवमेंट मेक्स योर ब्रेन अ लिटिल मोर कंफ्यूज एंड लिटिल मोर एक्टिव. जो नॉर्मल कर रहे हैं वही करते रहेंगे तो ब्रेन को चैलेंज नहीं है. When you move random hands, random legs like this, which is not normal, then your brain also becomes active. So it's a great idea to do these kind of random movements sometimes to have better memory, better brain power. Okay. Now we'll walk in different formats. Go back towards your mat. Come on your toes and then walk. 10 steps or 10 times forward, 10 times backwards. 1, forward. 2, try to keep your knees as straight as possible. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You will feel your calf muscles getting active. 8, 2 more times. 9. Keep your heels in the air as much as possible. एकदम height अपनी जितना ज्यादा बढ़ा सकते हो बढ़ाओ. And one last time. 10. And relax. Now, if you can, come on your heel. AD पे आ जाओ. अगर आपको AD टफ लगे तो नॉर्मल वॉक करेंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. देखने में एकदम सिंपल लगता है. It's easy to see, but when you do it with us, then you'll realize the muscles which we get moving or going. 2 more times. And one last time. Now, the next one, you bring your पैर अगर ऐसे है तो ऐसे करना है दोनों पैरों को बाहर की ओर. Okay? Bring your inside of the leg up and then you walk. Two. Ankle आपका बहुत strong हो जाएगा इससे. And also helps to activate other regions in the leg. 3, 2 more. बस 2 बार और करना है. 5 times this and 5 times the inner one. 1 more. And the next one, जैसे दोनों पैर ऐसे है तो अब बाहर से अंदर उठाना है और अंदर की ओर करना है. Now you can keep your feet outside the mat and of course those who have knee issues you will not do this. Zombie walk कहते हैं इसमें देखना हाथ भी थोड़े उल्टे हो रहे होंगे तो हाथों को सीधा कर लो. 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 2 more times. 4, 'and the last one, 5. Come back in the center. Relax. Breathe in, stretch your hands up. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. In. Out. Relax. Now we'll do the breath hold walks. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Pinch your nose. Hold your breath. 10 steps. Breathe in. Breathe out. 10 steps again. Breathe in. Breathe out. 10 steps again. Relax. This was more like a warm-up. Anyone who's not comfortable with this, you continue with 10. High BP है, कुछ severe condition है, अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, अजीब लग रहा है, अटपटा लग रहा है. Just stick to 10 steps. Do it multiple times. For those of us who are comfortable, if you remember your score last time, try to push it. 20 to 30 करो, 15 to 25 करो, 10 to 20 करो, जो आपको ठीक लगता है. जो पहली बार कर रहे हैं वो 10 to 20 ही करेंगे. We will take a deep breath in, we'll breathe out, we'll take 10 steps. In the next count, we'll take 11 steps. In the next count, we'll take 12 steps until you reach your maximum. Okay? अगर आपको लगता है 14 पे maximum आ गया, you will continue to do 14 total 10 times. I hope it's clear. If it's not clear, don't worry. Just follow me. I'll keep giving instructions. I'm doing 10 to 20 with the instructions. He's going to do 20 to 30 without instructions. So जिनको ऑलरेडी आता है वो कंटिन्यू करो, जिनको नहीं आता है वो मुझे फॉलो करो. ब्रीद इन, ब्रीद आउट, 10 steps. ब्रीद इन, ब्रीद आउट. 20 to 30 करना है. ब्रीद इन, ब्रीद आउट, 11 steps. Breathe in, breathe out, 12 steps. Breathe in, breathe out, 13. Breathe in, breathe out, 14. breathe in, breathe out. 15. कंटिन्यू, अपने आप से करते रहिए, 20 तक करो. मान लीजिए 13 पे ही आपकी गाड़ी अटक गई, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, 13 को बार बार रिपीट करो जब तक हमारा 20 हो रहा है. ठीक है, जस्ट कीप रिपीटिंग वॉट एवर यू आर डूइंग वेर एवर यू आर स्टक, and it will probably increase when you do it more often. 17. Breathe in, out. 18. Breathe in, out. 19. Last round, 20. बाकी लोग, अगर आपका कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है तो आपको 1 मिनट का समय और. इन द मीन टाइम विल कीप वॉकिंग. Last 30 seconds for you. Complete your cycle. वॉक करते रहो, वॉक करते रहो, रुकना नहीं है, कुछ मूवमेंट चाहिए हमें. And relax. Take a normal breath in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, in, out. फाइनल काउंट. इस बार आपकी कैपेसिटी से जितना ज्यादा हो सकता है उतना ज्यादा आपको करेंगे. दिस विल बिकम योर फाइनल स्कोर एंड यू कैन मेजर दिस स्कोर again and again. Every time you do this technique, you measure the score, you will understand what is your breathing capacity. Breathe in, breathe out, in, out, in, out. Hold your breath, pinch your nose. As many steps as you can. Push it. And type your score in the chat box, whatever your score is. How do you know if you're doing it right or not? You just have to feel something like this, right? अगर आपने ऐसे थोड़ा breath hunger कहते हैं इसे, अगर वो feel किया, तो you have pushed your limit. This is a very powerful breathing technique. I'm telling you, if you practice it, I have so many people saying that हम यात्रा पे गए, पहाड़ चढ़ने गए, ट्रैक पे गए, बिल्कुल ब्रीदिंग प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुआ. घर में स्टेयर्स चढ़े, ब्रीदिंग प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुआ. दिस टेक्निक विल वर्क वंडर्स इफ यू डू इट रेगुलरली. सेटल डाउन, आराम से बैठ जाओ, थोड़े आसन करेंगे, फिर और थोड़ी ब्रीदिंग करेंगे. ओके, सिट कंफर्टेबल एंड इजी. Breathe in, take your head up. Breathe out, forward and down as much as possible. Breathe in from the right side, come up. Breathe out from the left, go down. Continue. सांस लेते हुए ऊपर, सांस छोड़ते हुए नीचे. 5 बार करें. It's okay if your speed is more or if your speed is less than us. It's absolutely fine. Complete your 5 rounds. Breathing in, come up. Breathing out, go down. After you're done with the 5 rounds, you can reverse the direction. 5 times, left to right. And when you're done, you slowly come up from the center. Lie down on your stomach. पेट के बल लेट जाए. Hands by your side, chin on the floor. Lift your right leg up. Keep your knee straight, toes pointing out. घुटना सीधा, पैरों की उंगलियां बाहर की ओर. जितना ऊपर उठा सकते हैं कंफर्टेबल होके उतना ऊपर उठा ले. अर्ध शलभासन. Slowly bring it down. Relax. लंबी गहरी सांसें लेते रहे. Do not hold your breath. Continue breathing long and deep. Lift your left leg up. Lift your leg up from the waist. कमर से ऊपर उठाएंगे. You can feel it in your glutes and the hamstring. Your knee is straight and toes pointing out. Ardha Shalabhasan, the left side. Do as much as possible. If you're not able to hold for a longer duration, it's absolutely fine to smile and relax. Let go. Make a fist of your hand. Keep it under your groin. दोनों हाथों को जंघा के नीचे रख दे. Join your feet together. And try to lift your legs up. Shalabhasan. Very good for the lower back, for your glutes, hamstrings. Stay there, stay there. जितना हो सकता है उससे हल्का सा ज्यादा करना है, बस हल्का सा. And slowly bring it down. Relax. Bring your hands under your shoulders. हाथों को कंधों के नीचे ले आए. Lift your head up. Lift your chest up. भुजंगासन और अर्ध भुजंगासन. And make your cobra special by adding a smile on your face. सामने देखो. कंधों को नीचे और पीछे पुश करो. Push your shoulders down and back. While you push your ears up. और कानों को ऊपर. And very slowly bring it down. Relax. Stretch your hands in the front. दोनों हाथों को सामने की ओर ले जाओ. Viparit Shalabhasan, Superman, Superwoman pose. Lift your hands and legs up together. See if you can do this. Or you can also do the easier variation by alternating between your left side and the right side. 3, 2, 1, lift up. The best pose for strengthening your back, the best pose for having a better posture. इसमें आप लिटरली आपके पैरों से लेके तो सर तक सारे पीठ के मसल, बैक साइड के मसल्स को स्ट्रॉन्ग बना रहे हो. Of course, it is challenging. Relax, settle down. Bend your legs. Hold your ankle. See if you can. If you cannot, just keep your hands under your shoulders. And lift up in Dhanurasana. Lift up in Dhanurasana. And bring it down. Relax. Makarasana. Bring any leg closer to the chest and relax your whole body. Turn around. Lie down on your back. पीठ के बल लेट जाए. Slowly bring your legs up at 90 degrees. Ardha Halasana. You can keep your knees slightly bent or you can keep them straight. If you want to take some support, you can keep your hands under your glutes and then lift up. Becomes a little easier. Bring your knees closer to the chest directly. दोनों घुटनों को छाती के पास ले आओ. Pavan Muktasana. And move your body left to right. And relax. Prepare for Setu Bandhasana. Heels close to the body, knees pointing to the ceiling. Lift your waist up. Setu Bandhasana. Bridge pose. पेट को ऊपर पुश नहीं करेंगे, कमर से ऊपर जाएंगे। हो सके तो कीगल्स होल्ड कर ले। ट्राई टू पुल द मसल्स अराउंड योर एनल रीजन इन। गुदद्वार के स्थान के आसपास जितने मसल्स है उनको अंदर की ओर खींचे। स्क्वीज योर ग्लूट्स। And relax. Left ankle on the right thigh. Bring your right knee closer to the chest. Supta Kapotasana. Inverted pigeon. And slowly bring it down. The other side. Bring your right ankle on the left thigh and the left knee closer to the chest. And let go. Extend your hands 90 degrees to the body. Join both your feet together and drop your knees to the left. Look to the right. Stay there. Spinal twist. हर दिन एक ट्विस्ट तो करना ही चाहिए। Come back in the center. Look to the left and drop both your knees to the right side. Come back in the center. Relax your legs. दोनों पैरों को ढीला छोड़े। शवासन। पूरे शरीर को ढीला छोड़े। For 1 minute, let go the control on your body, on the breath and the mind. मन, शरीर, सांसों पे पूरा अपना जो कंट्रोल है वो छोड़ दे। And take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Fill your lungs completely. A little bit more. थोड़ा और सांस भरो. Hold, hold, hold and breathe out. एक बार और करेंगे. Breathe in. A little bit more. थोड़ा सा और. Hold the breath. And breathe out. Mentally chant 3 times. I am healthy. I am happy. मुस्कुराते हुए 3 बार मन में संकल्प ले, मैं स्वस्थ हूं, मैं खुश हूं. Slowly turn to your right. And sit up. धीरे से उठ के बैठ जाओ. थोड़ा सा लेफ्ट में ट्विस्ट, थोड़ा सा राइट में ट्विस्ट. दोनों हाथ ऊपर ले जाओ और कंधे से ऊपर पुश करना है और सांस बाहर छोड़नी है. कैसे? ठीक है, साथ में करते हैं. 20 काउंट्स करना है. 3 राउंड करेंगे. 20 काउंट्स ईच. कंटिन्यू. Hold the breath. And relax. Take your hands up again. Breathing in is automatic. You are just breathing out. सांस अंदर अपने आप जा रही है, आप सिर्फ बाहर पुश कर रहे हो. ओके, कंटिन्यू. कंटिन्यू. पेट दुखे तो कंटिन्यू नहीं करेंगे. यू विल नॉट डू इट इफ योर मसल्स गेट क्रैम्प्स और यू फील सम pain or some extra sensations in the stomach. Don't do it. Or you feel it in the back, then also you should not do it. Then you just do long deep breaths. Relax. एक राउंड और करना है, खुद से करो. Do it on your own. Let go. The next pranayam that we do is called Brahmari. इसका सबसे सिंपल वर्जन है. दोनों उंगलियां कान की गेट पर, ट्रैगस बोलते हैं जिसे इंग्लिश में, कान के जो दरवाजा है वहां पर रखना है. ऐसे ऐसे बंद चालू करेंगे और एक हमिंग साउंड. ऐसे सिंपल सा मूवमेंट करना है. बंद चालू और मुंह से आवाज निकालनी है. ऐसे. बहुत हाई इंटेंसिटी नहीं, लो इंटेंसिटी नहीं, मीडियम रखेंगे. लेट्स डू इट 5 to 10 times on your own. Anyways, you'll not be able to hear us otherwise. Continue. Relax, let go. Slowly you can open your eyes. The one thing which I want to share today is whenever you are feeling that you're not able to control anything in the outside. By the way, let me tell you this. Neither you can control things which are inside, like your digestion, heartbeat. Most of the times we are not able to control it. And we are not able to control what's outside. Bahar kya ho raha hai? Most of the time, I'm not saying always, most of the time, we cannot control it. The one thing which we can control, which is right in the middle of the outside and inside, and that's our breath. If you can control your breath, you will have such a strong sense of control inside and outside both. Breathing एक ऐसा powerful tool है जो आप control करने लग जाओ, आप बाहर और अंदर दोनों को control करने लग जाते हो. कभी भी ऐसा लगे कि यार चीजें वैसे नहीं हो रही है जैसे हम चाहते हैं, कुछ ऐसा हो रहा है जो बिल्कुल ही out of control है. Start focusing on your breath. You will find the best possible solution only when you're calm. Isn't it? That's why breathing is very important. Of course, breathing has multiple benefits, but this is the most powerful one. You want to be in your control, control your breath. That's all I would say. Okay? For now, let's control our breath and do Nadi Shodhan Pranayam. Left hand Chin Mudra, right hand index and middle finger between your eyebrows. Thumb on the right nostril, ring finger on the left. Breathe in. We close the right and we start from the left nostril. Close the right, breathe out left. Breathe in left. Close the left, breathe out right. Breathe in right. Close the right, breathe out left. Continue on your own. अपने आप से चालू रखिए. 6 days more to go. Type 6 in the chat box as a promise that you will be here for the next 6 days. Thank you so much for joining in and we'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow we focus on the lower body again. Bye bye. Keep smiling.